Let's address why your iPhone 15 or 15 Pro Max might have screen brightness issues after a hypothetical iOS 26 update. These issues often stem from glitches with auto brightness and true tone features. The primary cause is often software bugs introduced during updates, affecting how your phone's sensors interpret ambient light. This can result in a screen that appears dimmer than expected, even at maximum manual brightness. A key initial step: simply toggling auto brightness and true tone off and on again in Settings, Display, and Brightness can sometimes recalibrate the system. Make sure your phone's screen is clean, as a dirty sensor can cause the screen to darken. If toggling auto brightness and true tone doesn't resolve the issue, start with a simple restart. This can clear temporary software glitches that may be affecting your screen brightness. Next, try resetting all settings. Navigate to Settings, then General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset, and select Reset All Settings. This action won't delete your personal data, photos, or apps, but it will revert all system settings to their defaults, which can fix corrupted brightness calibrations. If the problem persists, consider restoring your iPhone from a recent backup. Connect your device to a computer with iTunes or Finder, enter recovery mode by holding buttons as prompted, and select the option to restore from a backup. This can eliminate any persistent software issues causing brightness problems. For persistent issues, wait for an iOS update. Apple frequently addresses display-related bugs in point releases, such as iOS 26.1. Go to Settings, General, Software Update to check for and install any available updates. If the brightness issues continue after trying these steps, contact Apple support. This could indicate a hardware problem that needs professional diagnosis. Visit support.apple.com or call Apple support for assistance.